Daimler CEO Deirdre Zetsche joining us from the company's headquarters in Stuttgart, Germany. Dr. Zetsche, so glad to have you with us. Let me ask you this question to start off. Back in November, you told everybody, investors included, that you thought the worst was over. Today, your company is reporting a surprise fourth quarter loss. What happened?
Well, I think that as far as EBIT is concerned and the divisions are concerned, we are actually reporting results which are better than the market consensus. The net profit was not expected because we took some corrections, mainly on tax provisions, and that is the explanation for the net profit development, which was kind of a surprise.
But with all due respect, Dr. Zetsche, if you were reporting results better than what the market expected, there's no way your stock would be trading down this far. Analysts, investors are disappointed about something. What can you do to regain their confidence?
Well, we'll have the analyst conference call this afternoon. We'll discuss and address their questions, and I'm confident that we will very soon recover on the stock market.
One question that we have is about the dividend, and this is perhaps one of the reasons why the stock is moving so dramatically right now. Many investors have been weighing in since the results, saying, why aren't you paying a dividend? You have the cash.
We have a continuous dividend policy. We said it all the time that we will pay out 40% of the profit. As in 2009 there was obviously no profit, we thought that is consistent, therefore not to have a dividend. At the same time, give a clear guidance for 2010 as far as profits are concerned, and the clear plan to pay out a relevant dividend according to our policy then in 2011 for 2010.
Dr. Zetsche, I want to ask you about the outlook for two things. Number one, how do you see things shaping up on the high end of your business, the luxury car market? And then also, how are things shaping up on the lower end of your business, some of the cheaper cars you're selling, the smart car? And do you see any opportunities to be gained from the troubles at Toyota?
Well, as far as the high end of our portfolio is concerned, the S-Class is selling very well, basically since the facelift mid of last year, and we are their clear market leader worldwide. The same holds true for the E-Class, where we have tremendous momentum with the new E-Class generation. So both of them are a very important pillar for the positive development and for the momentum we are seeing for Daimler, specifically for Mercedes, throughout 2010. At the low end, obviously, for instance, if you talk about the S, the overall development of subcompact cars is negative in this market. This affects Smart as well, and therefore at that point of time we see no growth in that segment, which is obviously not relevant for our profit development. As far as Toyota is concerned, I feel very sorry for the trouble this company is in. We have only limited areas of direct competition, for instance, with the Lexus in the US. In these areas, there might be some incremental opportunities.
Dr. Zetsche, I'm afraid we've run out of time.